putting a message. Immense gratitude, Lord Kalabhairava, Meenakshi Taye, and Paramashivani for protecting our beloved Swamiji. Just get lost. Just get lost. No one needs your gratitude. Don't hide your criminally negligent Hindu lifestyle in the name of devotion or behind the name of gratitude and all this stupid flowery ideas. It is the people like you I am more afraid than the people who are anti-Hindu and attackers. These criminally negligent Hindus who can nicely flower, hide their criminal negligence in the name of devotion, gratitude. Oh, you see, now her message, no one will be able to find fault in her. But she is an absolute criminal negligent Hindu. She is the straight example for the criminal negligent Hindu. I can tell you thousands of this kind of examples. Not only, see, if somebody is sleeping, you can wake them up. If somebody is acting as if they are sleeping, you can't wake them up. Whatever I am saying, she knows how to twist it and continue to remain criminally negligent by justifying, oh, I have so much devotion. Swamiji is looking so handsome. See his turban, how nice it is. Wow, see his new jewel, how beautiful he looks. None of them know how much it takes to get this kavi cloth and make this turban and get it to Kailasa and wear. None of them will get involved single, even one small way. But they know how to hide their criminal negligence using Kalabhairava. Ooh. Same way. He's telling, oh, Mahakali is protecting us. Kalabhairava is protecting us. Swamiji is protecting us. Stop using my name. I will not talk about Mahakali and Mahakalabhairava, whether they are protecting you or not. Stop using my name. Be very clear. I am not protecting you. When you are not protecting me, I am not protecting you. I am making it very clear. Simple, straight. If you are getting into the ground, working with your country, and getting diplomatic relationship for Kailasa, I am protecting you. I will come there and protect you. Continue to be part of your life support in multiple ways. If you are not doing that, stop using the word Swamiji is protecting us. Don't try to cheat yourself and cheat others using my name. Be very clear. I am not protecting you. You have nothing to do with my life. I am making it clear. I don't want to cheat you. I don't want to lie to you. I don't want to say, I'll protect you. My presence will be there. No. I am very clear. I am very clear. Today I protected because he gave his son to me. His son is in Gurukul. The son is doing Chandi Homa Puja every day in temple, running the Gurukul. That punya, I protected. That's all. People who stand with Kailasa, they are protected. People who directly get involved with Kailasa, they are protected. All others, stop cheating yourself and stop using my name. Telling you again, Kalabhairava and Meenakshi is protecting me, so I am grateful to them. Paramashiva is protecting me, I am grateful to them. You please carry on with your life. Don't try to show, don't try to justify your criminal negligence. You will not do anything. You will not do what needs to be done, but you will just, use some flowery words. Oh, gratitude to Kalabhairava, gratitude to Meenakshi, gratitude to Paramashiva for protecting Swamiji. They are protecting me, I know, and I am grateful to them, I know. You please carry on with your life. All of you need to know very clearly. Unless you guys are told directly, you will not wake up to this. You will not wake up to this. I am not sweet talker. I am straight talker. I am not sweet talker. I am truth talker. I talk the truth. I tell you the truth. These people who use flowery words to hide their criminal negligence are responsible for Hindus getting raped in Bangladesh. These gang is responsible for Hindus' properties getting robbed in Bangladesh. These people are responsible for the murders of the Hindus in Bangladesh.